Hello and welcome to this brief overview of Safyr for PeopleSoft. In this overview, we will be looking at the metadata Safyr extracts from PeopleSoft, how we can look at this content and curate it for use cases such as governance, migration and modeling. When the metadata is extracted and we initially explore within Safyr, we can see there are a lot of records or tables. In this case, about 7,442. To help further refine this information, Safyr gives the ability to leverage content from the data dictionary to explore the metadata in a non-technical manner. Let's say we are interested in information about change. Now we only see information where the phrase change occurs, and that filters it down to 93 records, or tables. Something we can also do is look at the amount of child tables, parent tables, and row count. Sorting by row count, we can see there's a table here called change request. Safyr lets us drill into this and see more information about the fields. We can see all the field names and see by virtue of the icons to the left if they have any relationships. So, change request ID is a primary key and these are foreign keys. It should also be noted that rather than just see these technical names, we also have the ability to see more descriptive information about these fields. We can look at this information in a slightly more graphical manner by looking at the relationship between these parent and child tables. When we start an exploration such as this, it's normally the end goal to have all the information that is relative to our particular use case collected in one place. And Safyr has the ability to do that in something we call subject areas. So let's take this table here and add it to a brand new subject area. We'll call this subject area demo. This subject area now contains this table, and at any time we can add more tables to this subject area as our exploration increases. Alternatively, for this demonstration, there are several predefined subject areas that come bundled with their products. Let's look at a specific one. We have change request. This contains information relative to change requests and also contains this change request table that we looked at earlier. Now we have refined or curated all this information, we may want to export it to a third-party tool to look at it in a more graphical format. So let's take a look at this subject area change request and export it. There are many different formats that we can export it to. Formats such as metadata, which is an Excel file, CSV, and formats that can be used by other third-party tools. For this particular instance, we will use our own diagramming tool. This information can now be looked at in a graphical format, and we can look at it in several different ways. We can see just the table names themselves, we can see the primary keys and foreign keys, or we can look at all information. What we can see in this instance is basically the table we were interested in, change request, and all the tables that are related to this, the primary keys and the foreign keys, represented in a friendly graphical format. This wraps up a brief overview of Safyr, and I hope it's given a taste for the possibilities of what Safyr can do. If you'd like to have more information, please refer to the links in the description. Thank you.